Rio Stacks. This my life, I'm gonna live it how I wanna be. So why you gotta criticize the choices that I live and breathe? This is my body and I'll treat it how I wanna please. Managed to live through the BS, used to being lonely. Seems like every day I'm getting judged on my path to be. Everyone saying they got my back but not my family. My pops thinking I'm out doing more than just puffing trees, fucking with that 8-ball or sipping on promethazine. I'ma be honest, pops, I love you with all of my heart, but there's only so much I could take before I'm torn apart. I understand you just being a dad, but I'm fucking grown. Certain things I gotta learn the hard way and see on my own. You gotta stop tripping and whining so much. I'm your boy, no one else give a fuck. Everyone else can say what they want. I know you got my back no matter what. Hopefully someday you hear this song, you realize how much I'm not doing wrong. I apologize for the shit I did, confession to our Father for the things I sinned. Now I'ma lay down my head to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take the prayers you taught me to say. My head no like present or yesterday. Here on my knees and tell my stories and pray my heart beats to the lyrics that the people awake. Please don't take this as this, my eyes are not open. Why would I hate the first person to hold and say that I love him? You've always been there for me since the very beginning. Through all of my accomplishments, to all of my sinnings, nobody else cares. Yeah, you taught me this from the start. You showed me how to be a man, and now I'm preaching from my heart. All I'm asking is forgiveness. The things you said and scripted into my mind, I listen. The reason why I'm so lifted and so over all these people, everybody talking shit because my actions unethical. BS is now put to rest. 6 feet under in the chest. Never found it is a treasure. Just living day to day as if it were forever, man. Let it be, let it be. Continue your life. Now let it be, let it be. Continue to fight. Now let it be, let it be. No one spoil your night. Now let it be, let it be. Yeah. Continue your life. Let it be, let it be. Just continue your life. Let it be, let it be. Continue to fight. Let it be, let it be. No one spoil your night. Let it be, let it be. And continue your life. Every single day my mind going through emotions as I'm sipping on this potent called the life that I have chosen. Rapping is simply the slogan, but music is what I'm loving. Every second in the moment, never know if you gon' lose it, but you notice if you have it. Some change and do new habits, but if I ever notice I'm making out a palace, and I'm gonna raise havoc through the streets of Hayward, screaming Mario dramatic. It's crazy but I can have it. The only chance I face, knowing I can be the grace, making out my family name and every generation made. No more struggles today, my mom getting a house made with a mansion in the hills, viewing the entire bay, man. Now let it be, let it be. Just continue your life. Now let it be, let it be. Continue to fight.